Hi everyone, Step Up Strive here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience working from home and making money online. Over the past few years, I've made a comfortable income by adopting various web monetization methods. If you are looking to make money from the internet, stick around for some valuable tips on how to get started. First things first, before you start trying to make money online, it's essential that you have a plan of action in place. Ensure you understand where your target audience is coming from and what they are looking for online. This will help ensure that your products or services meet their needs and lead to happier customers and more profits. Next up is finding ways to earn money with your ideas, whether selling digital products such as books or videos, offering services like web design or copywriting, becoming an affiliate marketer, or running an online store. There are many different ways to make money online depending on your skill set and interests. When starting, you might want to focus primarily on blogging or affiliate marketing, since these require minimal costs. Upfront results can come quicker than other methods, such as creating digital products or opening an online store, which also requires a significant investment of time and money up front. Experiment with various strategies until finding one best suits your particular needs and preferences. Once you have chosen what route to go down, move on to devising the marketing budget. You'll need some sort of budget, irrespective of the way you decide to take it, as there are several paid solutions available that can significantly improve your chances of success. For example, a Facebook ads campaign designed to boost sales could increase revenue quickly instead of relying solely on organic traffic sources such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, etc. To wrap up, when it comes to making money online, same tried and actual concepts apply. Just like any other type of business, success requires planning, preparation, consistent effort, hard work, determination, and perseverance, as well as will both ask help and take risks in order to grow further to succeed. Good luck. Thanks so much for watching our channel. We hope you found the information here helpful and empowering. We'll continue to strive to bring honest advice, inspiring knowledge, and effective tools to help you make positive changes in your life. So stay tuned for more, because this is only the beginning of your self-development journey.